Thank you for checking out another video. Today we're doing something a little different. We're out here on the porch enjoying this beautiful Florida weather. It is a little breezy, about 62 degrees, and absolutely amazing. We just partnered up Mystery Tackle Box. We're going to do a little unboxing. This is our first one. It is January of 25. All right, dude. Open it up. Right here. All right. First thing we got in the box, what we got? Camera focus. All right, what is that?
It is a Shush 100 or something like that.
That is a Lunker Hunter
Oh.
Sushi 110.
I was really
Cool looking bait. I'm going to tie that on, probably use that tomorrow. We have a tournament tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. Next up, we have a G-Rat Baits Fin Swim. Pretty awesome little bait. Maybe for a trailer or something. Not big into using paddle tails by themselves, but maybe on a trailer, maybe a jig, chatterbait, something like that. Next up, we have hooks. Spearpoint EWG. They got a weird little shape to them. I don't know. Maybe we'll try them out tomorrow. This is a 3/0 size. Pack of 2. Next up, we have Vicious Fishing Fluorocarbon. 8-pound test. This is 30 yards. We're going to rig it up tomorrow on a spinning reel. Maybe throw one of these other baits around so we can catch this fish. Next thing up. What is that now? This is like a 5.75-inch Rage Swimmers. Sorry guys, the wind is blowing. We got everything falling over out here on the porch, stuff flying everywhere. Next up, Lunker Hunter Reactor.
A Lunker Hunter Reactor.
In Florida, we call that a trap. Even though it's not the Rattle Trap brand, it's still a trap. And this is, I'm not sure what size. This is the 1/2 ounce, 2.5 inches, tight wobble, sinking bait. Really good looking bait. Might check that out tomorrow also. And my favorite part is every Mystery Tackle Box. They all come with a cool sticker. Alright guys, is that it? That's it. If any of you guys are interested in checking out Mystery Tackle Box,
Go in the link in the description.
Links in the description. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for checking it out. See y'all in the next one.